Okay, so we're in Blogger. Hopefully by this point you've all created a blog, or at least joined Blogspot so that we can create a blog. This is in case you want to create a new one. I'm just going to remind you how to do that. You go to New Blog. You title your blog. Whatever it is you would like to title it. And then you have to come up with your blog address. Okay, and it'll tell you here if it's available. This one is. Say create blog. Take just a second, and then the blog exists, but you have to make it your own. So go into it. Go over here. Here's this is kind of your main hub to do things on your blog. Okay, notice you have this big orange button here. This is always going to take you back to this dashboard. New post is to create a new post. This will list all of the posts that you have. Here's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go to template, and we're going to, well, we've got to actually do this. Let's go here. Customize, and you're going to choose the type of blog that you want. I always choose awesome, because it does some things that you're going to want to do very quickly. You're going to advance out of these pretty quickly and want to do some of these things. So you choose awesome. It doesn't matter what it looks like right here, right now, because you're going to customize that. But so let's just say I choose that one, and then I say apply to blog. Okay. Now you can go in and you can change your background to anything you want. There are all kinds of backgrounds depending on what you like, what you want. There's just a ton. So you go through. I'll spend some time on that in a minute. So let's say I'm going to do whatever. We'll just leave it like it is. You can also change the colors. You can get real specific. For now, we'll just leave it. Okay. Adjust widths. This is where you'll go in after you get more familiar with it and adjust how things look. Layout, I always start with this one because there are some cool things you're going to want to put over here. Alright, advanced is where you can choose the title color, the post title, the color of this gadget box over here, the color of links when you post them in, the font, all kinds of different things. We're not going to spend time on that here because this doesn't last very long. It doesn't let me record for long. But this is where you would do that. So you'd go into, just to remind you, come on. Okay, go back out. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, having a moment. Okay. Anytime you want to get back, you always find your orange thing that takes you to your dashboard. I'm in my blog. Okay. You go here to view the blog, here to do a new post. So you've created the blog. You have template, customize, background, widths, layout, and advanced is where you do all the fun stuff. Okay? Apply to blog, back to Blogger. That's what I was looking for a minute ago. And there you go. This is where you drive your blog. Okay? We will, in the next screencast, I'll show you about posting, editing, and all of those things. This is where you'll come back if you're ever confused about designing your blog.